Aquaponics versus poultry farming. Which one actually pays in Nigeria? By B Agro Nigeria Limited. Here's an instance. You have 100,000 naira to 500,000 naira, and you want to start farming. You don't know which one to choose, so you ask online. Some say poultry, and some say aquaponics. But which one actually makes money in Nigeria? Aquaponics or poultry? Let's break it down. Many young Nigerians jump into farming and lose money, not because farming doesn't work, but because they chose the wrong model for their budget, space, or lifestyle. Let's talk about aquaponics. Aquaponics is a smart farming system where fish and plants grow together. The fish produce waste, the plants use it as nutrients, and the water is recycled. The advantages? Very low water usage. Organic produce that can sell at higher prices. Works well in small spaces. But the initial setup can be expensive. It requires technical knowledge. A mistake can affect both fish and plants at once. Now, let's talk about poultry farming. Poultry farming is one of the most common agricultural businesses in Nigeria. You can raise broilers or layers. The advantages? Fast income, especially with broilers in 6 to 8 weeks. Constant demand for chicken and eggs. Easier to start. But feed costs can be high. Disease outbreaks are a major risk. It requires daily attention and management. Let's compare. Startup cost. Poultry is cheaper to begin. Skill level. Aquaponics requires more training. Profit potential. Aquaponics can bring higher premium returns. Risk. Poultry faces disease risks. Aquaponics faces system failures. Space. Aquaponics is better for limited or urban spaces. So, which one should you choose? If you have limited space and are open to learning technical systems, go for aquaponics. If you want quicker cash flow and a simpler setup, poultry is a better option. If you're a beginner, poultry is easier to start with. If you're thinking long-term and scalable, aquaponics has strong potential. Now, don't waste your time trying to figure out which one would work best for you. If you want to start the right way without wasting money, B Agro Nigeria Limited can guide you step by step. Easy guidelines. No stress, just one click away. Follow B Agro, learn smart farming, and turn your effort into real income.